All right, can you spell star? Your next word is cool. Your next word is fire. All right, spell foot. All right, spell word. Your next word is bed. The next word is baby. Your next word is moon. All right, spell try. The next word is rat. Can you spell milk? Your word is red. Spell end. Can you spell gold? All right, try spelling eat. Next up, cup. All right, try spelling water. Can you spell hat? Can you spell one? All right, try spelling tree. Your next word is job. Can you spell wow? Please spell milk. Can you spell three? All right, try spelling cake. Can you spell lad? Lad.